Want to see the deer before they see you? Let us show you how.
Hey guys, Kevin here with Screaming Chicken. Today I'm going to show you how to change the headlights in your 98 through 2002 Camaro. We're going to be using the FlashTech LEDs. These will work in any stock style headlight assembly. If you have halos or anything to that effect, it will not work with those. So this is for stock or stock style only. Super simple job. You don't need any tools. We'll dive right in. Okay, so your low beam headlight's on the outside. You're gonna reach in here and pop off the clip, and then your stock headlight bulb will just unscrew out. So just reach down, and sometimes, I know I said you didn't need any tools, but sometimes a small flat blade screwdriver will help you get these clips off. They can be stubborn sometimes. That one came off. And then, depending on how old and how temperamental your bulb can be, it'll just unscrew out. And then you'll take your new bulb and it'll go back in the exact same way. One thing to note, you cannot put an LED bulb in your high beams. It will throw an error message on your dash. And then you've got, factory style plug. You just tuck that back in there, and that's it. About a 20-second job, and we'll turn down the lights and hit the headlights in here on the wall so that you guys can see the difference. All right, and there's the nice new headlights shining bright. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Just rinse and repeat on the other side. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.